In the last class, we did revision of 5.1 and I did the first sum of 5.2. Do you remember? Yes?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
Today I'm going to do 5.2, the rest of the sums. Okay, in 5.2, what we exactly are doing is we are framing a linear equation. So now I'm moving to the second question. Here, what you should know is you should know to catch the words in the question and frame.
Teacher, I did the answers, teacher. I did
Very
second,
good.
third, and fourth.
Very good. Very good. So we will try doing it. Okay. A motorboat uses 0.1 liters of fuel for every kilometers. Okay. So fuel used is 0.1 for every kilometer. Okay. One day it made a trip of X kilometers. Okay. So X kilometers have been, traveled, and 0.1 liters have been used. So they say if the total consumption of fuel is 10 liters, then you have to form the equation. How will we form the equation? We know one thing, that liters multiplied by, okay, multiplied by the kilometers will give me the total consumption of fuel. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So if I write, because they have given me X, I'm taking the letter X. You got it? See, they have given me, it made a trip of X kilometers. So I'm using this X here. If they would have given me some other alphabet, I would have used that. In the exam, if you don't use the alphabet that they have given you, then you will get wrong. Do you get me, bacha? Yes. So
Yes,
this is
teacher.
going to be your equation. And if we further solve it, like if we don't write that, multiplication sign, I can also write it as 0.1 x is equal to 10. Got me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is our second equation. Safia, did you get it in the same manner, Beta? This is how you did it?
Yes, teacher. Then I solved it after getting the equation.
Okay, you also solved it? Very good. Very good. So how are we going to solve it? We are going to keep x on this side. Okay. We are going to take 0.1 on the other side. So when I take 0.1 on the other side, since it is multiplied on my left hand side, when it goes on the right hand side, it becomes division. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
ma'am.
So I put it as division. So let me put this line here. Okay. Now, once I have put it as division, how do I solve it? There is an easy way to solve the decimal. If I remove the decimal, which is there below, what will I have to do? Tell me. Can I multiply the numerator by 10? Can I do that?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
So I do that. Okay. I multiply the numerator by 10 so that my point which is there in the denominator will go away and I get 1 there. Correct? Yes. So my answer is going to be 100. Now what is this 100? Tomato, patata, what?
No, teacher, X.
It is kilometers. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You get me right? So you are always going to write the units when you are giving the final answer. So we can say that the trip was of 100 kilometers. Have you got it right, beta, till here?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
teacher.
Everybody is understanding what I'm doing? Barira, Sufyan,
Yes,
Sharia, Pranav.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you
Okay.
wait 1 minute? I'll just write this down.
What are you saying, beta?
I'm writing this down. Can you wait?
Yeah, I'm not clearing it. Yeah, please write it down. Sufyan, you are asking about the science chapters in this term, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll do one thing. I have actually told you in the class also. Sharia, do you remember I told you science chapters in the class?
Yes.
Can you send it to Sufyan?
Yes, ma'am.
Or you can do one thing, the group that you have, Safia, are you there in the group, beta?
The WhatsApp group, teacher.
Yeah, the WhatsApp group.
I'm there.
Sharia, you can do one thing. You can put science chapters after the first term and give the names of the chapter or give the number of the chapters. Yes, Sharia?
Yes, ma'am. There are 4 chapters, right?
Yes. Can I clear this, Barira?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we are moving towards the third question. We have to frame the question equation. Now here they are talking about a rectangle. So I very quickly make a rectangle so I can understand what it is talking about. The length of the rectangle is twice its width. Now what we should do, the one that is smaller, we should give it an alphabet. And the other one becomes the twice. That means then we can write that alphabet twice. Okay, so now when I read here, the length of the rectangle is twice its width. That means my width is small. Okay, and I'm supposed to take alphabet Y. So what I do, I consider my width to be Y, my breadth to be Y. So the length is going to become 2Y. Can I write it like that?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, Safia, am I right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so the length of the rectangle is twice the width. That means length is 2y, width is y. The perimeter of the rectangle is 96 meters. You will assume the width of the rectangle to be y meters. So we did the same. We assumed the width of the rectangle to be y meters. Okay, now we have to find the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, what is the formula of perimeter of a rectangle? Anybody who can give me the formula of perimeter of a rectangle?
2L plus
Write
2W.
it L plus W.
Yes, so I can write it as 2L plus B, 2L plus 2B, or I can write it as 2L plus B. Okay, now in this place, if I write the substitution of the, the measurement that we have written there is going to be Y plus 2Y. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that means what is it going to come out to be? Tell me. Can I say 2 multiplied by 3y? 2 multiplied by 3y? Because y plus 2y is going to become 3y. So 2 multiplied
Yes.
by 3y is going to be 6y. Am I right?
Yes.
And they have already given me the perimeter of the rectangle, that is 96 meters. So what I do is very quickly I go here and I write 96 meters. That means I write the number here 96. Am I right? I can keep writing it. And I write it again. And now tell me, can I further solve it?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, I can solve it. But can I call this as the equation? Because once I solve it, then that will be solution. Will that be the equation? No. This
No.
is the equation. So we are going to, if we are asked to only do the equation framing, then this is my answer. Do you get me right? This is the equation. And if they ask me to solve the equation, then I am going to solve it like I will say 6y is equal to 96. So I'm going to keep y on this side and it's going to become 96 divided by 6. Am I right? What is 96 divided by 6? Can you give me the
16.
answer? Okay. So our answer for y is 16. That means the breadth of the rectangle, the width of the rectangle is 16. So what will be the length?
32.
Very good. Very good. That's great.
And And if you add all the sides, you get 96.
Yes, you should. So our width is 16 meters. Our length is, okay, can I just like length is 16 into 2, that is 32 meters. Barira, are you understanding?
Yes.
What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Can we move to the next sum? Can I erase this?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Barira, done?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we are moving to question number 4. And here in our question number 4, it says, after 15 years, Salma will be 4 times as old as she is now. So assume present age of Salma to be T. So I assume what they tell me. I will say that present age of Salma is T years. Okay. Now, Salma will be 4 times as old as she is now. So what I'm going to write after this is 4 times present age will be, tell me what?
40.
Yes, 4 times
34.
present age will be 40. Okay. Now what they're saying, after 15 years, the age is going to become 40. Am I right? So that means my present age plus 15 years is going to be 40. Do you agree?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So my equation is going to be my present age plus 15 years is going to become 4 times. That means it's going to be 40. Now this is the equation. That means if they ask me only to frame the equation, this should be my answer. But if they ask me to frame the equation and solve it further, then what will I do? I will keep 15 on this side. Okay. What am I going to do with T when I take it on my right hand side? I'm going to subtract
Minus.
it.
Minus T.
Minus. So it is going to be 15T is equal to T 3T. Okay.
Yeah.
Now what do I do?
Yes.
I keep T on this side. Okay. Now supposing I have kept T on this side and I'm taking 3 on the other side. That means I'm taking it on my left hand side. So what do you think it's going to become?
Divide.
Divided by 3.
So I'm going to write 15 divided by 3. Any idea what is it going to become?
5.
So my present age is, or present age of Salma is 5 years.
5 years.
Do you get how you will solve it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, teacher.
And you will also have to write years. Okay. You will always write the value. Barina, are you understanding? Sufyan, are you understanding?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Sufyan, you said it would be like just few minutes and you'll on your video, you said. What happened? Still you have not put your camera on. Ajmal, Sharia, Pranav, Barira, every day I have to tell you to put your cameras on. See, you all want an interesting lecture. Am I right?
Yes,
But
ma'am.
you don't want to be present. You don't want to show your face. Teacher is going to be interesting with the black windows. Yes. Every day y'all cannot have a problem. And if the problem is repetitive, please contact your parents if they live in the same house. Do they? Because if you don't contact your parents, we are going to contact your parents saying that you have so much of problem that you can't keep your videos on. Poor child, you know, the Wi-Fi is so low. Poor child, the network is so bad. that the child wants to learn so much, but the child is not able to learn because the parents are not providing properly. Yeah, is this the reason? Sophia and Sharia,
No, ma'am.
you want me to contact all your parents? Yes, Ajmal, Sophia and Sharia, should I tell your parents that they are not providing you all the essentials? Can I clear the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now we are moving towards 5.3. Okay. And here we are supposed to solve the equation. That means in 5.3, they have already framed the equation. Our work is only to solve it. Okay. The last part that we were doing in 5.2, which was not actually asked there, but we were still doing it so that we have a practice of solving the equations. So here we are going to solve them, only solve them. It's the most easiest thing to do. Once the equation is made, it becomes easy to solve. The tough part is to frame the equation. Yes. So you have to, make a practice of, making the equations. Yeah, you can see in your textbook that there are so many solved examples. Yeah, so what you are supposed to do for homework is you are going to look at the question, don't look at the answer part. Okay, look at the question part, frame the equation. Okay, framing is more important. And if you are not able to frame any equation, you find any solved example to be difficult, then you can ask me in the next class that, ma'am, this is the question which I feel, I am not able to frame the equation. No doubt it is there in the textbook. Okay, but I don't understand how they have framed the equation. Then I will solve that equation with you. Is it very clear? I will teach you how to frame it because that is more important. Yeah. Chalo, let us very quickly solve this first equation. Can you tell me what will I do? X minus 5 is equal to 8. I keep x on this side, 8 where it is, and I take minus 5 on the right hand side. When I take it on the right hand side, the sign will change. Yes.
Plus.
So it will become 8 plus 5. Okay. Then what do I do further? X is equal to what is 8 plus 5?
13.
This is my answer. Is it difficult? Tell me.
No.
Not at
No,
all.
teacher.
Not at all. Okay. Similarly, chalo, let us go to the next equation. You have 19 is equal to 7 plus y. So what I do? I keep y where it is and I bring 7 to the left hand side. So 7 on the right hand side is plus. When it comes on the left hand side, it becomes minus 7. Do you agree? Yes. What is 19
Yes, teacher.
minus 7? Tell me.
12.
So can I say my y is 12? Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Done. Now can we move to the third question? Yeah. Third question similarly. Now what am I going to do is, the first thing is, you can see on the left hand side and on the right hand side, you can see variables. Can you see variables? So what your first task is to bring the variables together. That means you have to bring z together and number together. You get me, bacha? Yes. So
Yes, teacher.
this is how we will solve. Okay. So now what I do is I am trying to bring, okay, 4 on this side and taking 3z on the other side. Okay. So I already have plus 4 here. So if I try to bring right hand side's 4 to the left hand side, don't you think it's going to become minus 4?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. And if I try to take left hand side 3z on the right hand side along with 5z, what is it going to become? Again, minus 3z.
Minus 3z.
Okay, what is 4 minus 4? Can I say 0?
0.
0 is equal to 2z. Yes? Yes or no? Any
Yes.
doubt
Yes,
here?
teacher.
Any doubt here? No?
No.
Okay. So now what do? I keep 0 as it is. I bring the 2 down. That means because on my right hand side it is what is it? Multiplication.
Yes, ma'am.
So now what is it? We have 0 here. Yeah. And this 2 has to come down. Am I right? Because it is multiplied on the right hand side. So when I'm going to take it on my left hand side, it's going to become division. So I have got 0 divided by 2. Okay, is going to be Z. Am I right? Now tell me anything. Okay, if it has 0 in the numerator and you try to divide it with anything, what answer will you get? Any idea? 0 divided by 2. What answer will you get? 0 divided by any number is 0.
0.
Yes, it is 0. So our Z is going to be 0. Now it is your wish you write 0 is equal to 7, or you may write this as 7 is equal to 0. Do you get me? Is it difficult? Tell me anything that you're not understanding. You want me to repeat the step? Yes, Barira beta.
No. Ma'am.
Is it clear? This part
Yes,
is
teacher.
easy, right? This chapter, linear equation, is easy comparatively to the polynomial chapter that we were doing. Because in polynomials, you have to, know to factorize, you need to know to split the terms, like how we did for that assessment. Do you remember? Yeah?
Yes,
Have you
ma'am.
conquered that topic yet, or still struggling? Yes, Barira? Struggling?
Little.
Little. Sufyan, what about you?
Same.
Okay. Ajmal, I think you were good. You were good when we were doing the sums also. Ajmal knew how to factorize. He knew how to split the terms. Yes, are you able to do it, Ajmal?
Yes, ma'am.
That's great. Great. Sharia, what about you, beta? I think polynomials you also were able to do little. Am I right?
It's a little confused.
Yeah, little confusing. You get confused if, the sums are a little tricky. Okay. Pranav, what about you? Pranav, are you in class? You know what I do to the people who don't respond? I put them in the waiting room. So I put him in the waiting room. Because for me, you're not in the class. No, if you're not responding, you're not in the class. Correct? See, Sharia, even if her video is off, the moment I say Sharia and she answers. Am I right? Barira also does that. Even if she cannot answer, she chats. So that's fantastic. You must be happy today, ma'am. Most of us are. Yes, I'm very happy. You can see that. Yes, Barira, I'm happy, right? And then, I like to teach when I can see you. Because if I can't see you, then I'm like, okay, I just have to do it. I do the sum and then it's like, okay. But then I think if anybody in my place would be, and, cannot see somebody to whom the person is talking and trying to explain, we'll do the same thing. Yes or no? What if I cannot see you, or you cannot see me, suppose, and you're trying to talk to me? Will you like talking to me if you can't see me? No, then how will I like? I'm also a human after all. Teacher हूँ तो क्या हो गया? भगवान थोड़ी हो गई हूँ. After all, I'm also a human, no? I also want to see faces, right? And I love when you all interact. Okay, I have one more message to go. Yes, we have Sufyan looking outside the window as always. His window is going to get, very, very popular. Golden Sparrow, Sufyan, and window. We can write or we can make a we can write a blog or we can make a vlog. Yes. Do you all love doing it? Do you all do vlogging and blogging? No, not yet. अरे क्या कर रहे हो फिर? You should start. This is the
I was
right
thinking
age.
to do.
Yeah, you should start actually. This is the right age. Once you start blogging
I
and
try to
blogging,
do, teacher.
you do it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but I
lovely.
don't share it to anyone.
It's okay.
Just
It's okay. A time will come where you'll be so confident enough to share. Maybe now you feel people may judge you, but then it's okay. No problem at all. But you should
I
do
might do it. I might do it when I get my own phone.
when you get your own phone. Okay. Yeah, that's fair. ठीक है. Can we do the next sum? Yes. Shall.
Yes, ma'am.
Now here, what are we going to do? First, we are going to take 9 on our right hand side. So I'm going to keep 1 upon 3y as it is. Okay. And I'm going to take 9 on the other side. But you might have seen the way how I do. Do I change the number that is outside the equal to? No, I keep it in that position. Okay. Do you understand? Don't try to move the numbers. If I would have written 9 and then 12 and something like that, then the sign will change. The answer will change. So always stick to whatever is there on the other side of equal to. Keep it there it is. Okay. Only what you're moving, you will change the side. Okay. So now I did 1 by 3y is equal to 12. And because I'm bringing 9 from my left hand side to the right hand side, I'm going to change the sign. Am I right till here? 12 minus 9. Okay. Tell me what will it become? 1 by 3 y is become now 12 minus 9 how much? 3?
3.
So we write 3. Okay. Now what I will do for your convenience, I'm going to write 1 by 3 like the numerator and the denominator. Okay. 1 by 3. Okay. Y is equal to 3. Now tell me what am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to take this 1 by 3 on the other side. Yes or no? Keeping y
Yes,
alone there. Yes. Now if I keep y alone there and I bring 1 by 3 on the other side, what you can see here is multiplication also and you can see division also. Am I right? 1 is multiplied by y and you can see 3 is divided. 1 is divided by 3. Am I right? So
Yes,
when you
ma'am.
take it on the other side, you are going to multiply it with the reciprocal. Do you understand the meaning reciprocal, Battalo?
Yes, ma'am.
Ulta. Okay, if it is 1 by 3 here, what am I supposed to write on this
3
side?
by 1.
3 by 1.
3 by 1.
Yes, 3 by 1. That is reciprocal. So you saw what I did with this fraction. When it went on the other side, the fraction is actually reversed or we write the reciprocal of it. So now tell me what am I going to get as my answer? Y is equal to 9 upon 1. Can I write 9 upon 1 as 9 only?
Yes.
Yes. So my work is done. I've got the answer. Got it? These many steps you're going to write. Why am I writing in a line is because I don't have much space. But what you can do is you can write all this on separate lines and then get the answer and put that in the box. Is it very clear?
Yeah.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. Are you all writing it now itself or you're going to do it later? Safia, are you doing it along with me?
No, teacher, I'll do it later.
Okay. You take a
I'm just,
screenshot in that case.
listening.
Yes, Barira, you want
Yeah.
to say something?
I'm
Beta?
doing
Now.
with you.
Now, very good. If you're doing it now, then you don't have homework. If you're not doing it now, then you will have to make all that and you have to write all that as homework. Okay. So in case, Safia, you also want to continue writing from now, you can leave little place for the 4 sums and then you can do the 5th now along with me so that your work is reduced later. Okay. Can we start
Okay, teacher.
the 5th one? Can we start the 5th one? Yes. whenever you have a bracket like a thing, then what you will do? First open the bracket. Okay, so I have 5 in bracket x minus 3. Now, if I want to open the bracket, what am I going to get? 5 multiplied by x will become 5x. Okay, minus 5 multiplied by 3 will become 15. Okay, and then I have equal to, and I have x plus 5 on the other side. So now don't you think this has become exactly like the third sum that we had? We have variable on both sides and number on both sides. Yes. So now what am I going to do? Number on one side, variable on the other side. I'm going to do 5x minus x is equal to 5 plus 15. Tell me, am I right? I've taken 15 on the right hand side. So the sign has changed. I have brought x on the left hand side. So the sign has changed. What is 5x minus x? Can I say 4x is equal to 20? Yes, Sufyan? Am I going right?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay. Now what do I do? Tell me. 4x is 20. I keep x on this side. Okay. 20 divided by 4 I will do. What is 20 divided by 4? Tell me. Can I say 5? Yes. And this is the answer. Okay, this is the sum. Don't get confused with the 1/3 thing here.
Ma'am, where you will post this recording?
YouTube. The new channel that has come. The earlier one got blocked, no? So on the new one,
Ma'am, I can't find the new one.
I'll ask Christina ma'am to guide you all. Okay? Or in case you can do one thing, Sharia, if I forget to ask Christina ma'am, you can message her. Yeah, she'll help you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, please ask her.
Its
That,
name
ma'am,
is Golden Sparrow Hub School.
Yeah. And the earlier one was? I
It is
don't
Hub
remember.
Schooling, and this one was Hub Unschool something.
Okay, whatever. Okay, so but if you have any doubts in that regard, please contact Christina ma'am. She'll help you. Are you done with this, beta? Solving 5.3. Have you
Yes,
understood
teacher.
today's class? Yes.
Yeah.
Can I clear the screen,
Yes, teacher.
Barira?
Yeah.
Okay. In the next class, you know what we are going to do? We are going to do 5.4, and in that you will see that word problems are given. Okay. We will first frame the equation and then solve the equation. Okay. And once we are done with this part, then we will start with 2 variables. Till now we are doing only 1 variable. Then in the other part of the chapter, we will do 2 variables. Okay. So what you can do is, at home, simultaneously keep practicing so that you can master this particular topic. Clear? Yes. Thank you so much for putting your cameras on, for making the class lively. Yes, and your lovely smiles make me smile. You know which hormone? Which hormone? Dopamine. Okay. Yeah, dopamine. Okay. Chalo, bye-bye.